In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio to your Card.co website. If you're looking to enhance your website with sound, whether it be music, a podcast excerpt, or some other audio content, you're in the right place. We'll go step by step through the process, so even if you're new to Card or not entirely tech savvy, don't worry, I've got you covered. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Card.so website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, make your way to the dashboard. This is where you manage all your Card websites, whether you have just one or multiple projects in progress. From the dashboard, select the site you want to add audio to and open the Card editor. This is your main workspace for making changes and customizing your site. With the editor open, navigate your cursor to the plus button. Clicking on this will reveal a range of options for inserting various elements into your site. Here, you need to select the audio option. Keep in mind that Card.so is designed to work with audio links from specific platforms. As of now, Card only accepts URLs from Bandcamp, Google Drive, and SoundCloud. So if your audio file is hosted on another platform, it's time to transfer it to one of these supported services. For today's example, let's work with Google Drive. If you haven't already uploaded your audio file there, you'll need to do that first. Once your file is safely stored in Google Drive, it's crucial to set the file's sharing permissions to public. This ensures that anyone visiting your website can hear the audio without any access issues. After you've double checked those settings, go ahead and copy the link to your audio file. Returning to Card, you'll see an empty URL box waiting for your input. Paste the link you just copied from Google Drive into the box. It's a simple action but vital, as this is how your website will pull in the audio content. Take a moment to review your input and ensure everything looks correct. When you're satisfied, the final step is to click on Done. This confirms your changes and incorporates the audio into your site. It's always good practice to preview your site to ensure everything is functioning as expected, especially when adding new elements like audio. And that's it, you've successfully added audio to your Card.co website. With a few simple steps, you can bring an extra layer of engagement to your site, making it more dynamic and interesting for your visitors. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy website designing.